Oh no. Hey lavish loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I feel like, girl, you need your new Gilda. So I went on over to Sam's Beauty Chair. I purchased me the OUTRE Melted Hairline HD Transparent Lace. Baby, it's HD, ain't transparent. We gonna see. In the style Seraphine. As I mentioned, it's from OUTRE's Melted Hairline series. So we're gonna see what this Gilda is giving, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We're gonna jump right on into it. And if I keep on looking down, please excuse me. I'm just looking at my baby girl on the monitor, on the baby monitor here. So I don't know how to feel about this. I feel like somebody may have returned this because you know how it be connected in the inside, like you're able to pop the tag. It's only one, so I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. And it doesn't look like it's anything on the thing. So this wig claims to have a frontal effect and a ear-to-ear contour. No plucking required. That's what she said, girl. But you know I got my tools just in case. Oh, she is cute. She is cute. You guys, look. Okay. Miss Seraphine. Y'all remember the movie Seraphina? Seraphina! That was one of my favorite movies coming up. I'm telling my age now. Talking trash. So let's get into the specs of this wig. It does come with an elastic band already attached. And it's attached from the front. I normally cut my combs out, which is I probably will do later on, but for the sake of this video, it comes with 1, 2, 3 combs. The comb in the back is a little longer than the 2 in the front, and this attachable headband, which is not detachable, and it's like a T-part wig, basically. You're not getting much lace. So yeah, I'm not sure if I will want to cut this band out because it might be make it too tight on my head. But again, like I said, we shall see. Now I feel like I should have got it in a different color. Seraphine comes in special colors such as ginger, golden honey, cherry red, cinnamon mocha, hazelnut, honey, and strawberry gold, and they are so pretty. These colors are so pretty, you guys, but I got it in the color 1B. It says that the baby hairs are included. I just told you all that it's a pre-attached wide elastic band. Now I don't know if the band is wide, but it's a band. Sis says she has a seamless hairline for the realest illusion. Okay. The hairline lets you show those edges. Show those edges, girl. Ooh, child. Go ahead and slick your hair back. Stick it behind your ear, why don't you? Swoop the natural looking baby hairs. Okay. And it's pre-plucked to create a natural finish that melts right into your hairline. That's what they said, child. Seraphine. Let's see what you are giving. Okay, you guys, so I like to take my hair off at night, so we're not going to do a bowl cap method or anything like that. It's a million tutorials on bowl cap methods, but I am going to, however, just the leftover tinted moisturizer, because I don't really use foundation. I like the Laura Mercier, which is I need to re-up on tinted moisturizer in the color Deep. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my wig cap. I'm gonna turn on mirror. There we go. I'm talking to the man, the woman in the mirror. Oh yeah. There's a lot left in this brush. And I ain't even got to drag her back too far. And then I'm going to go ahead. I usually use a wig tint, but I don't have any. The girls is on a budget and I need to purchase some more. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tinted moisturizer that's left in this brush. And if I need to add some more, I will. And just put it around on the hairline and the inside of the cap. I'm just taking the excess that's left over. Because, girl, we don't want to waste nothing. And I really hope that this isn't discontinued. I'm going to have to Google this. Because I got this like a while ago. When I was working at OUTRE Beauty Channel. Ulta Beauty, all things beauty. Everybody rave about that Laura Mercier translucent powder, but baby, her tinted moisturizers are the truth. For me, I love them. All I did was put it down the part, you guys, and don't worry about that right there. I'll blend that out and around the front. Okay, let's try her on. So first impressions, you guys, I like it. I like the curl pattern on it. The hair is soft. It's not giving me, you know how you know how synthetic wigs give like shiny, like a seal back, wet seal back. It's not giving me that. It's definitely giving me a little tangle as I'm finger combing it. But it's like it is giving me like a somewhat of a Brazilian hairdo. And this hairline is bomb, you guys. Look. Look at this hairline. They might be right. I might not need any plucking. But we shall see. You guys, I'm so upset. Like, I could just cry. Why I went to readjust it. This lace is extremely thin, which is a good thing. But I went to readjust my wig, y'all. And she ripped. She ripped. From the rooter to the tutor. Oh, no. She ripped. But hopefully I won't need that part. And we're going to make her work. I want to cry. Oh, my God. More HD transparent. It's all good now. So you guys know I don't, well, you may not know, but I do not, make sure I be careful when I'm adjusting this wig chair. I don't like to use, I'm not going to say I don't like to use it, but I like to take my wigs off at night. So I don't use like a lot of product. I do use like bow hold and stuff like that when I'm going to keep it on for a few days. Like if I'm going on vacation or something like that. But other than that, girl, give me this good Got-to-Be glue spray. I do want to try the Boho Liquid Go. Let me know down below in the comments if y'all have tried that before. Quick TikTok. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever used the Boho Liquid Go. Does it like gunk up your wigs? Does it hold for like a whole day? You know, let me know what it's giving. No. Okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I wanna cry for real. Like for real. Oh, okay. Let me go ahead and doctor her up, child, because I'm real mad. But alright, let's get into it. taking some super hot mousse. And none of that, just about, just about that much. I'm gonna just take my little eyebrow razor. I cut slits, which I probably should slit up a bit more, but this lace is so thin. I got to be more careful, Chip. Got to be more careful. Razor. And I'm going to do this side first because this is the side that needs the most work, I would say. Okay, she's looking a little light skin around the edges, but we're gonna get her together. Okay, you guys, let's see. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result, and I really like her. I mean, I'm feeling her. Go get sis, go get you a melted hairline, HD lace. I mean, I had to doctor up the side, but we ain't even gonna talk about it. It's all to the goodie. She came out really well. She does not shed a lot. I have not brushed her or anything. So I give this one a 10 out of 10, girl, because she is cute. She is her. Get you this Gilda girl. I'll leave the link down below in the comments. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed preparing it for you, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, you guys, please. Okay? Until next time, Thanks for watching. Bye.